Nadia G. Nadia Giosia, born May 12, 1980, known professionally as Nadia G, is a Canadian celebrity chef, comedian, and punk rock singer. She is known for hosting the television shows Nadia G's Bitchin' Kitchen and Bite This with Nadia G, both of which aired on Food Network Canada and Cooking Channel. Giosia also launched a feminist rock, comedy, and food festival in Los Angeles in 2015 called Riot Grill and plays in punk rock band called the Menstruators. Personal life. Giosia was born in Montreal, Quebec, to a family of Italian immigrants and grew up in the borough of St. Leonard, Quebec. She has stated that her interest in combining comedy and cooking is a product of her upbringing, where family gatherings typically centered around food and laughter. Giosia has no professional training as a chef and is mostly self-taught with recipes developed from family tradition. Giosia currently lives in Los Angeles, CA. Career. Giosia began her entertainment career doing sketch comedy in the late 1990s and early 2000s. Her breakthrough came when her YouTube web series Nadia G's Bitchin' Kitchen was picked up by Food Network Canada in 2010 and then the Cooking Channel in 2011. Giosia followed up Bitchin' Kitchen with Bite This with Nadia G, which premiered on Cooking Channel in 2014. In 2015, she launched the music, comedy, and food festival Riot Grill, which featured all-female-fronted acts including her punk rock band The Menstruators. Giosia has also worked on a variety of web projects including Getting Irritated with Nadia G, Creep Shaming with Nadia G, and Sick Kitchens. Nadia G's Bitchin' Kitchen. Nadia G's Bitchin' Kitchen began as part of a comedy sketch series Giosia worked on in Montreal in 2005. The sketch evolved into a web series, produced by Nadia and her business partner. The web series was ultimately picked up for TV by Food Network Canada in 2010 before appearing on the Cooking Channel in the US 6 months later. The show ran for 3 seasons with each episode revolving around thematic elements such as rehab recipes or breakup bonanza. In addition to Giosia's Nadia G character, the show features Panagiotis Kousioulas as Panos the meat and fishmonger. Bite This with Nadia G. Bite This with Nadia G officially premiered in 2013 on Cooking Channel and ran for 1 season. On the show, Giosia interviewed chefs across the United States. Bite This featured a 13-city tour where Nadia tortured chefs during in-kitchen interviews by looking up information from their social media so she can hold it over their heads in the kitchen. Some of the restaurants included Bad Mosh and Father's Office in Los Angeles, Peg Leg Porker, and Hattie B's Hot Chicken in Nashville, TN, and the Cecil in Harlem. Riot Grill. In 2015, Giosia cultivated an all-female-fronted music, comedy, and food festival at the Regent Theater in downtown Los Angeles. The show was headlined by punk rock band Babes in Toyland, as well as featured sets from Mexican garage punk band La Butcherettes, L.A.S. Slutever, and Giosia's own band, The Menstruators. The event also included a stand-up comedy set by Sarah Schieffer and a food menu curated by Giosia. The Menstruators. Giosia is the lead singer for the punk Riot Grill band The Menstruators. Founded in the fall of 2013, the band features Robin Feldman on guitar, Ailya C. Robles Luna on drums, and Ken Christiansen on bass and vocals. The Menstruators regularly play dive bars around Los Angeles, including several sets at the Viper Room on the Sunset Strip. The band made a short comedy rockumentary in April 2016 featuring commentary from Giosia, band members, and fans. Web series. Getting Irritated. Getting Irritated is a web series that features short rants by Giosia about a variety of topics that has been running since September 2013. Creep Shaming. This series condemns online trolls by having celebrities read harassing social media posts, similar to Jimmy Kimmel's Mean Tweets series, highlighting specific examples of reprehensible conduct. Giosia interviews guests and presents a Golden Douchebag Award to their creepiest harasser each episode. Sick Kitchens. Sick Kitchens is a renovation show in which Giosia overhauls real kitchens. The show aired on ULive, a digital platform set up by Scripps Networks Interactive that launched in 2013. The show aims to teach people that bold Dane sick choices can be beautiful, according to Giosia. Other television appearances. On July 12, 2011, she appeared on the American Travel Channel series Bizarre Foods with Andrew Zimmern episode Montreal. On December 2, 2012, she appeared alongside Michael Simon and Benjamin Sargent on the Battle Holiday Gingerbread episode of Iron Chef America, representing the cooking channel against a team of Food Network stars including Masaharu Morimoto, Robert Irvine, and Ted Allen. On April 7, 2013, she appeared on Chopped All Stars Season 3 in October 2014. Giosia was one of 16 celebrity participants in Food Network's Cutthroat Kitchen Superstar Sabotage Tournament event. In 2020, Giosia competed on the CW show Fridge Wars, where she competed against Chef Rodney Bowers.